Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolphin 254. Guys, I've really missed you so much. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare these soft layered chapatis. Without wasting your time, let's get started. But before then, click the red button below and be part of this family. Let's do this. I'll be using 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, cooking oil, and warm water. So in a bowl of wheat flour, the first thing that I'm going to do is to add 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I'll do this and continue mixing until everything is well mixed. At this point, I'll now add my warm water. Guys, this is how I do it. I always prefer adding as I mix the dough. So anytime I see or I notice that the dough is still dry, I'll always add more water until the dough is soft. I prefer using warm water since it helps the chapatis to be so soft. There we go. As you can see, guys, our dough is now ready. So guys, this is how I always know when my dough is ready. Just press it in, and when it comes back immediately, you'll know that it's ready. So at this point, I'll now take the dough, divide it into small balls according to the number or sizes of chapatis that I want. I'll now take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour, and roll it into a thin circle, as you can see. When you want your chapatis to be layered, this is one of the best techniques of folding to get a layered chapati. So I'm going to repeat the same to the remaining dough. So I'm just going to roll it, as you can see. Add some oil, sprinkle some flour, and fold it, as you can see. So once you're done with folding, just stretch it, yeah, and coil it, as you can see.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.
At this point, I'm now going to take one coiled dough at a time. Roll it into a flat medium circle. Yeah, I always prefer sprinkling some flour to prevent the dough from sticking. So I'm going to roll 2 or 3 coiled dough before I start cooking. Meanwhile, my pan is already heating. So when we are done with this, I'm going to show you straight how I cook the chapatis. So I'll start by cooking one side for at least 1 minute until it turns brown, as you can see. Yes, I'll then flip to the other side. So this is how we do it. So I'm just going to repeat the whole process to the remaining chapatis. So cook one side for at least 1 minute until it gets brown. Yeah, flip to the other side. Add some cooking oil, as you can see. Yeah, turn to the other side. Add some oil and wait for at least 1 minute. Yeah. So allow me to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for always being here for me. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. And for those who are seeing me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss every time I upload a new video.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun.
So remember to check the description box. I'll be sharing all the products that I've used in this video, and I'll also be sharing the full recipe from there. So we've come to the end of the video. This is how our chapatis are looking. So soft and layered. If you have your own method of preparing this, please share with us at the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, bye.